how much money have you made in a month? I went viral. They started running ads thoroughly on every
I
platform.
don't know about her, like she might have a crush on me or something. This video has costed me my friendship.
Shrima should shift to Bombay.
This is why she gave that evil laugh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shrima Reddy and this is Prableen. This is also aka No Filter PKB. If you're not already following her, she's such a sweetheart. She does body positivity, skin positivity, and also a lot of beauty content. And also she's my dear best friend. So a lot of people asked me Prableen ton video cheyi ani, and Prableen channel paina kuda memo oka video chesinamu, oka Q&A about like our friendship and how it all started, like where did we meet, how is our bond, a lot of like really cute things and stuff. And for this channel, you guys know I'm a little spicy. I love to put people in like uncomfortable situation to answer.
She is going to be the most uncomfortable one. We'll see.
We'll see. Oh my god, did you prepare questions in your mind? Yeah, so today's video is going to be about a spicy Q&A. We'll be asking very spicy questions and hopefully Prableen will answer. If she's not answering or if I'm not answering, we are going to take these lemon shots, or like if you don't answer for 3 times, like if you've taken 3 shots, then you have to eat a Karela.
I hate Karela. Hate.
Me too. I hate it. But if you're comfortable in taking lemon juice and you don't want to answer all the spicy questions, then I think the person deserves a Karela.
That is true.
Yes. So that's what we are going to do. So without further ado, let's get into the video. A lot of like 18 plus questions though.
Really?
Yeah. This is the first question. Tell me 2 things that you would want to change about me. Shrima, you should change this about yourself.
Shrima, why do I have to answer? You answer first.
It's a question. This is my channel. What is this?
Shrima should change her habit of not being available on text or call. I think that's the biggest yay. And Shrima should shift to Bombay.
All my Hyderabad family will feel so sad after this answer. They would think
That's one change.
they would think Prableen should have at least had a shot. 2 things that she has to change about herself. I don't know, man. I'm not like her, you know. I love her the way she is. I think not about herself. I'll tell you like the surroundings, okay? I think one thing that she has to change or install is a chimney in your kitchen.
That is so random.
This has been in my mind.
Really? Oh, because of the dua.
Her cook comes in and then she starts cooking. I can't breathe. Because
Oh my god. So random, bro.
And the second thing that I would want to change about yourself is expecting me to stay in touch on call and text.
What is the one thing that you wanted to try but you haven't tried yet? I think for me it has to be solo traveling. I've never traveled.
But did you want to?
Yeah, I wanted to. Like maybe with one trip, but I don't think I have it. I have done, but I won't
I don't
mind.
think she'll do also.
Yeah, I don't think I know.
Yeah.
But it's still like you think that okay, this is an experience that maybe I should like
Yeah.
try, but
Yeah, I think the same answer. Probably like
you've
to
done
a
that, you went to
particular.
that super trek.
I was accompanied by Shrisha and she was my college friend. So that was not solo. But yeah, I would want to travel solo. No, the one thing that I wanted to do is not solo. I wanted to stay in another city or another country for a year where there's, you know, beach, clean beach.
Bombay, I can't really say
Yeah.
that.
But yeah, I wanted to do that, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Like, you know,
Like
once
you remember you were saying that you wanted to do Goa also, like
yeah, Goa also.
Yeah.
But it's kind of difficult, like,
Yeah.
because I don't really appreciate not working and living that slow life also. It's difficult for me. So I think my ideal place will be a city. So that's why I was considering Dubai as well. And all this was just for experience. It's not like I want to live there, but just experience. How much do you like my partner on a scale of 1 to 10? And why? If it's
And
less,
why?
Yeah. If it's less, why? If it's more, why?
a 7.5, 8.
Okay.
And 2, I think I won't give because I feel he's not utna expressive. And that is like a very, very important thing for me to communicate and, you know, like zyada open up, because for me,
Yeah.
like I am very emotion led. So for me, tabhi it gets difficult if we don't communicate. So already isse hi, like it takes so much time to like communicate and meet and then keep up.
He's an introvert.
Yeah,
guy.
he's very,
Yeah.
very introverted.
Yeah.
So even though I ramble so much, I don't think like I have to again start from zero. Like it's we reach 100. Like in my mind, we've reached 100 after that conversation, and then
Yeah.
next time it's again like from scratch. But because I think he's a very nice person, he's very
Yeah.
considerate. He's a very nice host. He treats her so well. He's like a very nice gentleman, pyara
Yeah.
sa person. So I think for that, I think all the other things are very nice. I think just the communication part, I feel is a thing that I think he should work on. But I think other than that, like he's very nice.
So honey, take notes. Rahul, I would say 9.9 out of 10. Also because I think I've come to Bombay so many
Yeah.
times and I've had so much time to like spend with him, spend with Prableen, get to know them, and he's a very, I love people who are funny. I'm telling you, like I'm a fan of his humor. He makes me laugh so much and I love that about him. Like he's blessed with his you know, humor talent. But otherwise, apart from being funny, he's a sweetheart. Like he is a gentleman. He's also very, very considerate.
Yeah.
He'll think about every small thing. Like just now, he actually wanted to eat because he's hungry and we had parathas. And he ordered some food and he's like, Shrimai, can I eat? Will you feel bad? I'm like, Rahul.
Bichara.
yeah, I feel very bad. Don't eat. Eating is the worst thing you can do.
Yeah, but he's very, very considerate.
Yeah, very, very cute, very nice, and I'm very happy for Prableen. He found a very, very nice gentleman, and so is Rahul. Like he's very lucky.
So what's the 0.1%? Like what do you think he needs to work on? That also you have to tell, no?
Oh yeah. So I think sometimes because he's so funny, he is not somebody who probably like
Thinks too much?
no cracks jokes out of like, oh, I will like you
Diss
know
her.
diss her or hurt this person, or he'll just make fun of your misery. Like he will listen when you're telling him. He will listen with all heart, and then he will you know, understand everything and give you advice, and that will be done. The next day he'll crack jokes on it.
Yeah.
And they're funny.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Like I think everyone in his life has given him this feedback. So
Yeah. But again, if you like the pro, you should also like accept the con of it. So
Yeah.
I'm okay with it. I don't think he has to change it. But I'm not that sensitive that I will
Take
take
it
it in a you know, bad way, take it to heart. But there might be people who
Yeah,
might
yeah.
not like
Yeah,
that.
true.
So yeah, that's the only thing. Otherwise, he's a gem.
Cute. Who's your best friend, Prableen or Akanksha?
Can you open this?
I'm going to be so hurt if you drag that. I'm going to be so hurt.
This is why she gave that evil laugh.
I'll make you have the whole Karela if you answer this question.
I didn't answer now. So who is my best friend? Akanksha or Prableen? Wait, let me answer.
She's such a bitch.
Oh!
Did you both have those lesbo feels on each other? Maybe like a kiss or a date?
Dates, yes, we did go on dates. But lesbo feels never. I don't know about her, like she might have a crush on me or something. I was dating Rahul since the time that I met her.
Yeah.
So, obviously. But not lesbo feels sort of love, like not physical attraction,
Yeah.
but I'm very attracted to her to
As
her
a person.
mind and heart. Like,
Yeah, me too.
as a
I think we
person.
both are like very, very straight.
Yeah, very straight.
Yeah, so that is thoda out of the picture.
Yeah,
but
out of the picture.
No, I think we genuinely ऐसे are in love with each other's personalities and
Yes.
you know how we are as people.
You know, a lot of people actually thought we were dating because we used to keep posting stories of miss you, love you, baby, come to
Yeah, yeah, I
Hyderabad,
think,
come to. So there were a lot of people who used to like text me like, "Are you a lesbian? Are you and Prableen dating?" and all of that, and it was so funny.
From a third person perspective,
It might look like that, but like it was
yeah,
never, like that. Like I do genuinely love her, but I'm attracted to her heart, not body. So now that like we've answered that, what is your opinion on like same sex relationship? Like same sex relationships, like female female, male male, basically LGBTQ plus.
उसके अंदर what do we have to drink?
You answer now. Like, what is your opinion?
I think I support them and I'm like all for it, but I can't visualize it. I think we've never seen it, or like I've in movies also, like that's the only way I can think about it. So since I've not seen it, maybe if I'll see it and have I say normally people around us, you know, be in a relationship, then I may, you know, be zyada comfortable in experiencing that in front of me, but I haven't even traveled itna. So like for example, Sean's there in Paris, so he keeps seeing. So he's like okay, now he has a visual way, but I don't actually. So
but
yeah,
did you
it's
come
just
across
cute.
anybody having like feelings on you in that way, like a same sex, like a female?
Not really.
Nothing.
You?
Yeah, I come from all girls, so I had to
Really?
encounter. Yeah, there was this chick, and then back then I didn't even understand like all of these.
Like,
so
what is happening?
She like randomly took me to you know, the washroom, and then we have these belts like for tunics, you know, school belts, no?
Yeah.
So she started removing it and all of that. Then I got so scared, and then I ran.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Are you friends with her?
No. Why would I be friends with her? She traumatized me. And back then, I did not even know what was happening because I didn't know something like this could also happen. You understand? Because we were not well informed about all these things. Can you name an influencer who you think is overrated?
I shall take a shot.
I thought so. You acted cool. Oh my god, that's so very.
I thought I could answer, but I think it's not a good idea. You also have to answer. Pehले you answer, then we'll take it together. Answer, Chan. I also answered all questions.
Let me think if there's any influencer. And can they be faceless influencers? Also?
No, don't try to be diplomatic. You tried to be diplomatic and you took a shot, don't you remember?
Oh my gosh, she's gonna. I'm telling you, this video has costed me my friendship. Cheers.
Do you guys ever use your partner's toothbrush? Do you?
You don't know what? You don't?
No, Rahul doesn't like it. Like, I don't think I'll mind, but I don't think he likes it.
You should have answered first.
The next question is, have you ever gossiped about each other to any of your mutual friends or your other friends?
Yes.
Yeah, I also have. But I think there's nothing that we don't tell to each other's faces that we've told
someone else. That's true.
Yeah. Like if I don't like something about like something that she did, so I'll be like, you should not have done this.
Yeah.
But then if I'm talking to my friend, I'll also tell that I did not like that she did this.
Yes, that's true. So it's not like talking behind your back. You also
just talking about
are-
you.
Yeah, that what you did or like what happened. Have you ever been friends with a creator like for any other purpose than friendship?
Not really. Have you?
No. I don't even have friends. I feel
I
like
need
she
to
has a
find
lot
that
of friends.
creator interesting, and my first intention will be like good to be good friends with that person. But that's rarely the case.
Yeah, me too.
So no, I don't think so. ऐसे normal collaborations and all are okay, but if the vibes are not vibing, then I won't even like. If I don't like the person, so there's no chance only that I'll collaborate also with that person.
Yeah.
But I know that there are people who just meet to have like
Yeah, to just
like
maintain
the
that
clout.
The cloud.
even though like they don't like each other types. So
True.
there are a lot of
People.
cases like that.
Yeah.
But no, I am not like that.
So you and Rahul are in a relationship, right? So what if like 2 years later you like another guy? What will you do?
I'll tell Rahul. I don't think I'll ever like also.
Yeah, that is hypothetical situation.
But no, I'll tell Rahul and then I'll cry and then I'll get over it.
Nibbi.
I can't not tell him.
Yeah,
So if there's
yeah,
something
that's
on my mind, and then I'll be like, this guy's cute. But then I'll feel guilty, like, fuck, like, how can I think about this person like that? So I'll just go in that, like, very negative loop of, like, shit, I'm so bad, I'm so wrong. Then I'll cry, and then, like, a day or two, I'll be fine. You and your ex.
Partner.
Not ex.
Egg.
If you and ex, if you and your partner, bye. So if you and your partner have the same situation, then what would you do?
If I am liking somebody else and not my partner, I think I will sit and think, why am I liking somebody else and not my partner? Like, what is
it like
lacking?
emotionally?
Yeah.
I thought just physically.
No, emotionally.
No. Then of course. I
She
thought
said, I'll sit, cry, and then get over it.
I thought just like by look, sometimes you're like,
No,
this guy's
but
so
that
cute.
is very normal, right? Like, there are a lot of people who look good, might look better than your partner.
Yeah.
But that is fine. Like, you see and then
but
you're
I
like,
can't
cute
think
guy
like
and
emotionally.
move on.
No. I don't
Emotionally, because that's what is important.
Yeah. No, I'll also then to think like what's wrong in my relationship, and if I can fix it and make sure that that is not happening because that's the like really messed up.
That's messed up, exactly. So I would definitely think about like what is lacking in my relationship, what is lacking what is something that I want my partner to do and he's not doing. Is why I'm
Like
even
this.
deviating and stuff. So there'll be a lot of conversations, probably fights and all of that, but like we'll either have to figure out or not. But I don't think I'll be a person where I will stay
With
in
that
with the
feeling.
person and like liking somebody else or loving somebody else. That
Yeah.
is not me.
Yeah, that is a very bad place to be.
So
in
be as
also.
well for you and your
Partner because the partner is like completely unknown of the fact that you are thinking about someone else.
and they'll be so emotionally invested in you, but you are emotionally
that's
invested.
really- And I feel there are so many, like I've seen so many situations where with the girl or even with the guy where someone else will start giving them so much attention that they'll start questioning their relationship.
Yeah.
Because not everything and not every person you meet, like maybe if I'll meet a new person in like another 5 years, maybe their perspective is going to be extremely nice and fun and it'll be interesting.
True.
But that will never be even like 1% close to what I have with my partner for like 10 years.
That's true.
So if someone being like giving you attention or being so close to you, if it's making you come in a spot where it's questioning your relationship, then you really need to reconsider why are you in this relationship. So
but I think it happens a lot in like arranged marriages, right? Like when you don't
then I feel
know,
very bad. Like what do they do?
Yeah, because it's human emotions.
Yeah. And you can't even force yourself to not feel that, then it'll all come into your mind.
Would you skip periods for lifetime or not have a kid? This or that?
Matlab, it's so weird. Like, what is related?
It's not related. Like, it's just this or that. Like, would you skip periods for lifetime or
not have a kid?
Huh?
Hai
No,
na?
or not have a kid.
No, that's wrong.
Or have a kid.
Like if you will skip your periods for your lifetime, then you will not have a kid, or you get your periods and have a kid.
Have a kid. Huh?
It's like that, na?
Yeah.
So I will have my periods for lifetime and have a kid.
Same, me too. Have you ever gone skinny dipping?
No. You have?
No.
Do
But do you want to?
I don't mind actually.
Yeah, me too. So there was this one time in Thailand where there was like we were in the ocean, and then the other side of the ocean, people were skinny dipping because it's a naked beach.
Oh.
And all these like Akanksha, all the other girls, we were thinking like, shall we go? Because it's like something super wild.
Uh-huh.
And then we realized like we'll also have to see each other naked.
That's not a vision you want to see.
That's not a vision. So if I ever want to go skinny dipping, probably
It has to be like a solo traveling thing.
yeah, it has to be solo. Not like anyone who knows me should not be around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should be like nobody and then go. Not because I want to be, because I want to not see. I want to like experience like how is it? Like how do people do that?
it.
Yeah.
Like without giving a fuck.
Yeah, but I've seen in Europe, like usually people, even in crowded beach,
Yeah,
they don't wear top, like because they don't think that it's needed. You understand? So that is like a very new thing that we've seen.
Nice. I've not been, so I don't know.
Yeah. See, traveling teaches you a lot of things. Like you
Yeah.
see a lot of new things, and then you
I shall.
question how it is. Is breakup okay after having?
Huh?
Like, let's say there's a couple and then they have sex because they're in love, but then they break up later. Is that okay? Especially for a girl.
They have sex and then they break up, so that's normal, no?
That's a Mumbai answer.
But what does it mean? Like, it's in fact, it should be Vaisa that would you be okay if you have sex right after your breakup? That's the question.
No. Like, see, the problem is usually people say like don't have sex before marriage because there's a
Unless
possibility
marriage
of
then.
so there's a possibility
Like,
of
would you want to be a virgin?
yeah, that way. Like that's the
Ah.
perspective I think of the
Person who's asking.
who's asking. So like, is it okay? Because a lot of people, you know what happens? Girls will stay in that relationship even if it's toxic because they've had like a physical relationship with them.
No, I don't think so. Like, that should be the reason why you should be or should not be in a relationship, because I feel like this is just like a part of it, but it's not everything in the
Everything.
relationship.
Yeah,
So
that's true.
if you two like if you feel like you want to be with the person, then it's completely fine, but that should not be the reason why you would want to stay or leave. Like, you should be able to make that decision irrespective of.
True, I agree. Same. This is my final question, and name the brand that you hated to work with. Like you had a very difficult time. Name it. Come on, name it. I will miss my flight if you think so.
I don't know. What, do you have a name?
To work with? No.
I don't think we are not difficult as creators.
No, but like I did have like difficult times.
Then are you naming the brand or are you drinking? I shall drink. Yeah, I can remember like one
Yeah.
or two brands, but I think that was more in like the earlier stages of my like where we were not so well versed with
Yeah.
the rules, the legalities, and then
Worst thing.
they would just take us for a toss. Like, I remember I was just I'd signed something because they said that it is you have to sign to proceed. I was very early in my years and I signed, and then we did the collaboration. Then I did not see that there was this word written, perpetuity, which is they have the content rights for life.
Oh.
So when I blew up I went viral, they started running ads thoroughly on every platform.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, what do I do? And it was so difficult. Like,
Yeah.
it's just
Happened.
read your papers and only then sign. Your sign
Yeah.
has a lot of value.
True. Same happened with me.
So the last and final question from my side is, how much money have you made in a month because of your work?
So I've had 3 shots, right?
Are you seriously going to eat it and not answer?
Are you going to answer? Even I'm not going to answer, so I'm having my Karela.
You can go on any, social media page and kind of understand yourselves. Like, there are so many people who talk about it, so you can see all of these Instagram, websites and put people's usernames. It's not 100% true, but it's very volatile. Like, there
Yeah.
are months where we make very good money also,
There are
and there are
months
months
we
where we
make-
absolutely don't
don't
make
make
also,
anything.
because it's very upar niche. Isliye it's thoda tricky to give an answer for this.
Yeah, and I ended up eating Karela. It's so bad. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. How do you feel? Do you want to say anything to your Telugu fans from Hyderabad?
I said, no, I love you in Telugu.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys liked us on this channel. Let me know if you want us to do more challenges or any videos, because I think I loved the experience. Like, it was so much fun. It was not even like we are doing a video.
Yeah,
we
it
were
was
just like
like-
sitting and chatting.
That's what we do.
Yeah, and I hope it was spicy enough for you. And make sure to tell what you want to watch next in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys.
Bye.